Hi, I'm John with DMC. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the HX23 and the HX33 Benchtop pneumatic crimping tools. These tools are pneumatic alternatives to the handheld HX4 crimp tool. They are operated with a foot pedal and have an open frame that accommodates most wide eyes. These interchangeable dies produce various crimp patterns including hex, nest and indent, B-crimps, crescent, and more. These tools are designed to crimp insulated and non-insulated terminals, splices, and coax connectors. Both tools have an emergency release button to open the tools in the event of blocked jaws caused by operation, handling errors, or wrongly placed terminals. The HX23 covers a wire range of 24 through 14 gauge and operates on dry shop air between 80 and 95 psi. This tool is used with the provided bench mount and foot pedal and features a two-step operation. The first step provides spring-loaded pressure to properly position components between the dies. The second step completes the cycle, assuring a complete crimp. To crimp with the HX23, press the foot pedal the first time to close the dies. Use this feature to position the terminal under the locator and hold the terminal. Next, insert the wire into the terminal. Push the foot pedal the second time to complete the crimp. To change or remove your dies, first disconnect the tool from the air supply. Then, using the included die removal tool, apply pressure to the die through the access hole. Use the same tool to reach behind the guard and remove the movable die. Here we have the HX33. This freestanding crimp tool is more compact and more powerful than the HX23. It covers a wider wire range from 24 through 10 gauge and operates on dry, standard shop air between 80 and 120 psi. To operate, load the terminal into the die, jog the die down with the foot pedal, insert the wire into the terminal, then press and hold the foot pedal to complete the crimp. Release the foot pedal, releasing the dies. To remove the dies, remove the thumb screws from each die holder. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Be sure to check out the links below and follow us on our social media.